Hello everyone. Thank you again for visiting my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about going out field service. The government body and technology is making it so fun to go out in field service that it gives you something to do. While some people is knocking at your door, you could be playing with your iPhones, your Android phones, so you can download apps for field service. So you can keep records of your NADA homes, your publications, your hours. Wow, they didn't have that in my day going out field service. You know, all this will be really, really fun. Counting time. When to start, when you can end. You got your hours, your magazines, return visits. But here's the problem. When you're knocking at someone's door, and placing your literature, isn't your literature is from the Watchtower? It's not from the Bible. Isn't your publications, books, magazines, pamphlets, it's all from the government body who help them to design new information to bring more people into this religion? People, you're turning your phones into a deadly weapon. They're trying to make your field service more interesting by playing with your phones. If you start using the Bible more than playing with these gadgets for your time and your placements and magazines, then you would learn what we have learned. There's so many scriptures in the Bible, even your poison Bible. That's what I said, your poison Bible. It tells you things that's going to happen, will happen. And the Jehovah's Witnesses teaching does not bring that out, but it's in the Bible. For example, in Ezekiel, it mentioned about a third temple of the Jews going to be built. Because remember, the first temple was destroyed, the second temple was destroyed. But if you read about the third temple, you'll find out there's stuff in the third temple has nothing to do with the first or second temple, and things that have not even happened yet. People, the Bible has the truth in it, to a certain degree if it's a Jehovah's Witness Bible, to prove the Watchtower has been pushing your heads into a hole in the ground, making you look like a dumb ostrich, if you can imagine the picture, because they don't want you to wake up. They don't want you to search the truth on the internet to see you have been lied to. Some of y'all been watching our videos and making bad comments, saying we are apostates. We have been upset with the elders we've been committing fornication, stealing things from the brothers and sisters, so the elders had to disfellowship us. So we come in our retirement and just destroying the witnesses for destroying our lives. Not at all. Bunch of us awake from your demonized magazines, literature that has hidden images in it. Which, if you watch Kim and Mikey's videos, you will find out these subliminal images has been affecting so many Jehovah's Witnesses all over the world. Some going to commit fornication, adultery. Bunch of them is molesting children. One even went to an airport with a machete and bug spray, bombs, to kill people in an airport. So your own literature that you're placing, it's not only affecting you, it can affect the public. People, you need to do your research. Just because the government body makes it more interesting that you can go out in field service, so it will make you look like, you're doing something special, but you're not. Downloading apps to some phone devices is pretty fun, amazing. But these apps here is waste of time. The reason why, people, because your God does not exist. You're worshiping just a name. And all the lies that we've been going door to door, promising people that the world was going to end. And I remember those magazines that we placed, that this generation will not pass away. And showing pictures of old people on there. Those old people has died, passed away. Where's the Armageddon, Jehovah's Witnesses? Where is Armageddon that I was promised? Probably about 3 different times. Not counting 1975. Where is this Armageddon that the watchtowers promised? That's right. It never happened. Are we supposed to be upset because it never happened, and we're supposed to stay faithful and true to the organization till it happens? No. Because the reason why, we was deceived, lied. So that makes the watchtower as a false prophet. That they said, Jehovah said, September the 5th, 1975 was going to end, and 1976 was going to start. Day after September the 5th. I have that recording. A bunch of us put this information up. And that was from Nathan Noor, the 3rd president's time. And Freddie France was the one who gave that talk. You people don't want to wake up because you're blinded by your new light that keeps changing. And they keep adding a new bulb. A little bit brighter. Next time, a little bit brighter. A little bit brighter. That's what Satan's light does. Satan's light keeps getting brighter and brighter and brighter. Your understanding of the lies is getting wiser and wiser and wiser, but you don't think and remember the lies like we do. That's the reason we get out of the religion. It's because we learn. Going door to door, deceiving people, lying to people, it's wrong. And if you have any conscience, you better check and make sure what you're doing is right or not. Because if you think what you're doing right, trying to bring people into a false religion, a bad cult, you have a problem. You are mental disease because you can't see the information right in front of you and hear my voice, other people's voices telling you, we was there, we been there, we were sitting in your seat, we went out and filled service. If this is the truth, none of us was left. And if we all got in trouble with the elders, we do just like everybody else. We would take our punishment and we would wait how long it takes to get reinstated. But you listen to lies from the elders. You listen to the lies of the government body. Where it says, don't waste your phones downloading apps. Don't waste your lives working for a religion. It's not even the truth. So are you having fun wasting your lives to go door to door? Yes. Are you having fun wasting time placing magazines is worthless? Yes. Are you having fun deceiving people and not knowing you have been deceived? Yes. So you answer all these questions, yes. Who are you calling mental disease? Think about it. You're the one brainwashed. We woke up. So for us to wake up and realize we don't have to follow the false government body, the faithful servants of Jehovah. They are following Jehovah. Because you've done your research, you'll find out Jehovah. It's a Spanish monk who invented that name. And letter J is not even in the Hebrew language. So you can't spell Jehovah without the J. So if there is no J in Jehovah, then there is no Jehovah. Which says, holding your magazines in your hands, are you doing to bring people to worship a false God and bring them out of the real Christ, our mediator, and his heavenly Father? Please, wake up. Delete yourselves, your new apps from your phone. Delete yourself from your congregation. Delete yourself from your God Jehovah, and delete yourself from the what you call the government body. Because if you don't, it'd be just like your phone. One day it would just quit working. And you cannot do nothing to bring it back to life. And that's what you are right now, a walking dead. Waiting for your battery to run out. And when it runs out, you would die. Along with your faithful slaves, government body, the idiots that you're following. Thank you, and have